Good morning, my name is Mr. Barber. I'm the welding program coordinator here at New London's Porter and Chester Institute. So a lot of people ask the question of what is welding? And many times the answer that I get when I ask that question is putting two pieces of metal together. And many times that is the case. But what welding really is controlling liquid. And when I tell people that, they have this strange look comes over their face. And if you think about it, that's what you're really doing. If you can think it, you can build it. If you can look at it and it's made out of metal or plastic, you can repair it. It's a way to open the door, and it's a big door to open. Enrolling in the program, you're gonna learn what I'll call 5 basic processes. You're gonna learn how to plasma cut, you're gonna learn how to stick weld, you're gonna learn how to MIG weld, you're gonna learn how to TIG weld. In addition to that, you'll get a variation of the MIG welding and flux core welding, and you'll get a little bit of oxy-fuel cutting and welding. As far as everything else they're going to learn, there's so many other facets. There are other metals, aluminum, stainless steel, working with regular steel. All these things are going to come into play. I hope that students walk away with the idea that the sky is the limit and they can do whatever they want. Hopefully, they'll take the skills that they learn here and translate them into a worthwhile and well-paid career for themselves.